speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando. Ngiyathaba kakhulu ukuba lani lapha namhla. That means welcome everybody to speakndebele.com. My name is Ndebele and I'm so pleased to be here with you today. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning the alphabet. The alphabet in isiNdebele is Umbhalomabala. You want to try that? Let's try it together. Umbhalomabala. Did you get that? Umbhalomabala. All right, you'll get it as we go along. Let's get cracking. Let's begin with A. A in isiNdebele is pronounced like this. Ah. You want to try that? Go ahead. Ah. Good. A word in Ndebele with the ah sound is apula. You want to try that? Apula. Good job. Let's do B. B in isiNdebele has two different ways of being said. You can say the B, the softened B sound, and that's pronounced V. Did you get that? One more time. V. Now say it with me. V. Good job. A word in Ndebele with the V sound is vona. Say that with me. Vona. Very good. Vona means to see. All right. The other way of saying B is B. Say it with me. B. Good job. A word in Ndebele with the B sound is beba. Say it with me. Beba. Good. Beba means to burn. Let's move on to C. C in isiNdebele is one of our special click sounds. This is the reasons why I love Ndebele so much. It's got special sounds that aren't found in many other languages. So C is one of those sounds. It's the softened click sound. You go like this. Try it with me. Did you get that? One more time. Good job. A word in Ndebele with the sound is cela. Say it with me. Cela. Cela means to ask for, to say please. Cela. Okay, let's do D. D in isiNdebele is pronounced like this. D. Say it with me. D. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the D sound is donsa. Say it with me. Donsa. I'm sure you've guessed it. Donsa means to pull. Good job. Let's do E. E in isiNdebele is pronounced like this. E. You try it. E. Good. A word in Ndebele with the E sound is ekhaya. Say it with me. Ekhaya. Good. Ekhaya means at home. Let's do F. F in Ndebele is F. Say it with me. F. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the F sound is fudu. It's a funny word, right? Fudu. Fudu means a tortoise or a turtle. Ufudu. Good job. Let's do G. G in Ndebele is pronounced like this. G. You get that? Say it with me. G. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the G sound is godola. Say it with me. Godola. I'm sure you've guessed it from the action. Godola means to be cold. Godola. Nyagodola. Let's do H. H in Ndebele is pronounced like this. H. Say it with me. H. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the H sound is hali. Say it with me. Hali. Hali means thread or yarn. Hali. All right, let's do I. I in Ndebele is pronounced like this. I. Say it with me. I. Excellent. A word in Ndebele with the I sound is inja. Did you get that? Inja. Inja. Did you say that? One more time. Inja. Inja means a dog. Inja. Let's do J. J in isiNdebele is pronounced J. Say that with me. J. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the J sound is jabula. Say it with me. Jabula. I'm sure you've guessed it. Jabula means to rejoice or to be happy. Nyajabula. Very good. Let's do K. K in isiNdebele, similar to B, also has two ways of being said. There's the softened K sound, which is pronounced like this. R. Won't you try that? R. Excellent. A word in Ndebele with the R sound is Nkosikazi. Say it with me. Nkosikazi. Very good. Nkosikazi means Mrs. or Madam or a woman. Nkosikazi. The second way of saying K is the hardened K sound, and it goes like this. K. Say it with me. K. Did you get that? Good. A word in Ndebele with the hard K sound is Kabe. Say it with me. Kabe. Kabe is a watermelon. Kabe. Good. Let's do L. L in isiNdebele is pronounced like this. L. Did you get that? Try it with me. L. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the L sound is la la. You guessed it. La la means to sleep. Saying, la la, I'm going to sleep. Okay, you're doing very well. Let's keep it up. Let's go on to M. M in isiNdebele is pronounced like this. M. Say it with me. M. Good job. A word in Ndebele with the M sound is memeza. Say it with me. Memeza. I'm sure you guessed it. Memeza means to shout. Nya memeza. Good. Let's do N. N in isiNdebele is pronounced like this. N. Did you get that? Try it with me. N. Good job. A word in Ndebele with the N sound is nota. Say it with me. Nota. Nota means to be rich or, to have a lot of money. Nota. Okay. Let's do